House flipping gurus, they sell you the dream of quick cash, HGTV glory, million-dollar margins. Behind the curtain, though, they're trapped. They're trapped investors in a never-ending job. Thousands of flippers end up burned out, overtaxed, back to zero, chasing the next deal just to stay afloat. And the reason they went into this was to gain freedom, not to lose freedom, to gain net worth, not to be at a zero-sum net worth after several deals with lots of risk. This is the issue with flipping. And why did I get away from flipping after over 2,000 flip deals that I personally did? Well, it's because I got smart and I decided to build my own rental portfolio, where everyone knows real wealth lies. Now, the numbers don't lie. Build-to-rent portfolios have grown over 500% since 2019, according to Globe Street, and new construction rentals need 80% less capital expenditure in their first decade. Meanwhile, flippers are facing a crushing 60+% effective tax rate without depreciation. Now, some people will argue flipping is the fastest way to wealth. Others say passive rentals are the only real freedom play. So who's right? In this video, I'll show you why I traded every flip for new construction rentals and how you can stop sprinting for cash and actually start compounding real wealth. Most investors think active equals smart. Hustle equals progress. I thought the same thing until I realized flipping just makes you busy, but not free. And the game here is not only wealth, but freedom. Flipping looks sexy on YouTube, but most of the guys out there are broke within 5 years. They own nothing, they trade time for cash, and it's burning them out. Here's the kicker. The IRS treats you like you have a job too. You get taxed like income, not like an investor. So what I'm doing at Southern Impression Homes, we help investors skip the flip. We get brand new homes built to cash flow with potential for equity growth for day one. No roof repairs, no deferred maintenance, no drama, just clean assets under management in growth markets, managed, stabilized with incredible financing. So if you're a flipper, take your next flip profits and look at turning them into 2 or 4 doors that pay you monthly rent and monthly cash flow before you burn out and eat your margins up and get priced out of your own market. It's such a shame when I see flippers that work for years and end up at about a zero-sum game and they can't even afford to buy in their own market, sometimes their own home. New investors, if you're just getting into the game, skip the learning curve. A lot of you already have a great profession or a great business and you're getting enticed into the flipping game. Why? You're trading time for dollars and you're looking for freedom. You're looking for long-term wealth and passive income. Start where flippers end, with a finished product in a landlord-friendly state with management in place. In 10 years, I'm honestly not going to remember the names of the streets of the 2,000 plus flips that I did because they're not helping me today, but I will know the names and addresses of all of the passive income returns I'm getting from the portfolio that I've built from my rental properties. This is something you want to look at because in the future, you want more freedom of time, more freedom of financial resource to be at work less and with loved ones more, doing the things that you love with who you love. And I have not seen that be able to come to fruition when you're in a full-time flipping mode because it can be so intensive. But the people that have planted seeds and looked long-term and now own a great rental portfolio, they're enjoying all of the fruits of their labor and they're able to have the time freedom and the finances to make it happen. So if you're ready to stop sprinting and start compounding, book a call with one of our team counselors now. We'll show you how we're helping other investors build wealth by the thousands, not just in income, but in freedom of time. It's time for you to own something. It's time for you to give yourself that net worth you've been wanting and have it work harder than you do.